Hi, this is Mark with Right Line Trading. It is 8/19/2015, and I wanted to go over the trades we took today. We had a really great day today. We had two really large winners, and we had one scratch loser. And I think now I'm up to 15 winners and only one full loser in the last 5 trading sessions. So let's take a look at the loser. The loser was not the first trade that I took, but we'll look at it first. I'm just resetting the chart because the fractal indicators sometimes don't appear immediately. Here we go. Okay, let's take a look at crude. Now, this was a terrific short right here, which I didn't take, and I can't give you an explanation for why on crude. It occurred right at 9 o'clock. It's a move right out of consolidation, and I really like it. And the move up and the continuation to the downside. That was a very nice trade. Kind of mood on that one. Now let me show you the trade that I did take. It was right here. I took this C candle, but I saw that it was right into the value area low. Now again, let me recalibrate, and I'm sorry about that, but that's Ninja. That's the Ninja platform with the fractal indicators. If you do multi-time frame analysis, sometimes they are finicky. Okay, right into the value area low. It tried to break it. It came back, so I closed it at -3 ticks. And then there's the trade. And that's really a nice trade right out of consolidation. And I did not grab it. Then, by now, we're done. Crude inventory came out. And you see crude is just battered down to 41 and change. So this was a missed trade I just never saw. Now bonds. So we had a 3-tick loser on the now bonds. We had this awesome trade short, and we really could have knocked the day right out here on this move to the downside, this retracement, and then it would have gotten down to here, 5 ticks. This is a tough multi-candle. We don't have both quants. It's a tough trade, and I wouldn't have taken it, but those 5 ticks, I just got in the room about 17 minutes late and missed this trade. And then bonds just shot up, and they shot up through a falling 50. So we just had no trade. And what we're looking for is for bonds to move up and then retrace. Move up and then retrace. And then this never did. Up here, you could take that trade, but that by that time, bonds are way overbought. Now, this whole move took place after we closed the room. That was a trade I definitely would have been on if I was in the room at 8:37, and maybe I was a minute late in getting in, and I should be in at 8:15. This was a little more difficult on one quant line, but boy, oh boy, did it rock. And was looking for all kinds of reasons to take it. I mean, this is a potential double top here, or a retracement in that trend. That's a pivot. It's not quite a pivot, but it's a hanging man, close to 80% retracement. That might be one additional notch to take the trade, but in the live room I did not take it. Then we had two great trades. Trading the right edge is hard, and you can see our first trade right here. Triple quants, background bias. This was an enormous trade. We got a trade, I think it went 4.75, but it went at least 4.5 points. That is a nice trade. Then, right here, notice this double top off the point of control. And as I had said, market structure rules. We had them move down, had them move up. It's also almost 100% retracement in this trend. If we throw in a little Elliott wave theory, took this trade to the downside, even though I didn't have quants with me, the modified 15. I did have background bias, but this was basically a market structure driven trade, and our second winner was a really nice winner too. 2.5 points. So we got 2.5 points, and we got 4.5 points, and we had that scratch loser. So we held up for the day. You can see we had another awesome trade here. Now you don't know that you're going to get these when you stop, and that's just a matter of money management. But look at this trade. Right out of consolidation. I mean, the platform delivers incredibly precise trades. And you have another trade for 5 points. Just, I mean, and nowhere here do you get a false trade. It's just, it's just that powerful. So I unfortunately had to close the platform and lost our net equity. Let me just find out. Hold on 1 second, and let me find out our net ticks. Hang on 1 sec. Our net ticks were 25. Net equity was $347.50. If we go back 4 trading sessions, we're now up. How much, Leo? I've really only taken one full loser in 4 sessions. I think you can look at our chart, but $1,264 in that's 3 trading sessions, and we're looking to hit $2,000 for this week in net equity. So we really would like you to come into the room. I will type out all of the exact trades and how far they went. You see, we had a couple of additional opportunities. One I missed because I was late into the room here, and the other one I could really hit myself on the head over was this, and that was a gorgeous trade. See the indicator that looks at a breakout of a channel, and it signaled the trade. We had an audible alert, and down we went. Just don't know why I didn't take the trade. No explanation, because it was a great trade. I must have been looking at another market. Remember, I look at 3 at once: crude, bonds, and the ES. And in fact, we may have been on another trade. Since I don't have the trades marked out, we may actually have been on another trade. And let's see. We weren't there. No, I don't know. I was just looking away. Doesn't matter though. We made great money, and we're pushing $2,000 for the week. So we welcome you into the room on a free trial. Go to www.rightlinetrading.com. There you'll see a link to our daily net equity in the trading room, a link to our daily net equity for our auto traders, a contact us page, a sign up link for the free trial. You'll see, I'll put up the website. It's a lot easier. We've kind of modified it to make it a little bit easier to negotiate. There's the free there's the free live trading room and software trial. Now you can sign up for a weekly quiz in which I test you on your acumen for being able to interpret market structure and price action, and that is the key to trading. It is not indicator analysis or indicator confluences. It is market structure. Here's our options newsletter. These are our trading room results, our auto trader results. Here's the order for the mentorship course, which is a 2-month course, really, in which we spend most of the time reading the market based on market structure, price action, and then towards the end of the course, we integrate indicators. Now, indicators are important. In the room, I was giving everyone a quiz on entries, and there was one loser. And I asked everyone what they postulated the loser could have been caused by, and then when you add market profile in, it was right into a value area low. So market profile, which shows great areas of support and resistance, just like our 50 period and 15 period, is really a very powerful indicator and serves to censor a lot of losers. It also holds you up on winners that just walk right through. But we don't care about those. We want to trade with precision when a trade sets up and gives us a good structure based on market structure. We're going to take the trade, but we're not going to trade into the value area high, value area low, or point of control. But if we get a break and retest, they provide us with additional areas to trade, and the trades off of them, like that last trade where I traded that double top off the point of control. Gave us almost 2.5 points on the ES. So listen, everyone, have a great afternoon, and I look forward to seeing everyone in the trading room. Take care.